Okay, let's go ahead and get this party started. Okay, let me pull this up. Good morning, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube. Today is November 3rd, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over minor levels, and then I will go over gold and oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, I do got more of a main level of support for me is going to come somewhere right around these 1250s, but I could see that there's also been a level it's been holding right around these 15 to 16s over the London session. So we'll see if we actually break down into this level down below. That's more of my main level there. Underneath that, for me, somewhere around these 05, 06s is going to be my next level of support. So we'll see if we get down there. Level of resistance up above 46.27, measured move above that 46.37, 50 is my next level up. So we'll see what happens there. But with that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy.
Wendy.
She'll be giving you some of the minor levels there. Sorry, I had to swallow.
It's okay. I've only known you for 4 years. It's okay.
Right?
Okay, I'm going to share my screen
All right.
and let's see what we got here. Here we go. Nice and clean. No indicators. All we need is trend and resistances and support. Structure, baby. So let me explain these micro peaks. What are their purposes? What is the purpose of these micro peaks? It's not that it's the best entry for the trade. It's the opportunity for you to hop onto the momentum. What do I mean by that? Here's your buy the dip way down here. If you miss that, then you can get in at, why is this buy the dip? Because looking left, it was a resistance. If you miss that, here's your support for the long. And if you miss that, now you mark your micro peaks to hop onto the momentum. It's not that it's the best entry, it's just your opportunity. So here's your peak right here. Let the market go up, which it did, and come back down and use it as support. Boom, it's going up. It's going to here or through it. It went through it. So what does that mean? Now you use this micro peak for an additional opportunity to hop on. So you hop on, you let the market break through it because it's going to go to or through, which it did. It went right up to here. Now you use this for your opportunity to hop on. Now, where is it going? We know where it's going way down here. It's going either to here, or to here. So when you hop on these micro peaks, you know you're going to cash in because it's going to check out these resistance areas. And look where it went. It went way up here. Does that mean that it's going to drop? It's a double top? No. You use your micro peaks as a guide to keep telling you where it's going to go. So you use the bounce here to go to here or through it. And it keeps going higher and higher. Here's your last peak. Look what happened. It's resistance. Should have done this, should have done the bounce up for a further move up, but it's resistance. Where is it going? Well, it's going to come down to either here, which it did, knowing that it's going to go to here, or it's going to come down here for the buy the dip. Why is this the buy the dip? Because of this gem. That's your resistance. That's why it's buy the dip. So that's what these micro peaks do. They don't give you the, it's an opportunity to hop into the momentum. Your best entry is here and here, but these allow you to hop on the train. So that's what I have so far. Here's your buy the dip. We don't know if it's going to pass through this last micro peak and go up further, or it's going to come down, but I'm long hoping it goes all the way up. That's it, Dave. I'm going to pass it on to you for oil and gold.
All right. Nice work. Okay. Moving over here. Let's pull it over into it's weird. Oh shoot, sorry. All right, let's pull it over into gold here. So I do got support sitting here 1770.1. Gonna see if we even act as some support here right now. We'll see if the market bounces from this level. If it does, may look for a fade back up into 1776.4. Still strongly bearish. You can see we could not get above those 1787.9s. So we will see if we actually get the opportunity to push lower. Next level is down below 1756.7 and then 51.3. So if you want to continue the trend trade, you are going to be looking for some slight pullbacks. You could either look for somewhere around this area of 72.27 for a pullback into that area and continuation of the downside, or you can look for it to come into 1776 and then look for the actual continuation from there if you want to continue the downtrend. If you want to fade it back up, this could be our first area of interest. Next, we are going to take a look at crude oil. So crude oil again, downtrend as well. We couldn't break above these 82.95s during the London session. Strong resistance, nice double top from that area, and it pulled us down. Support for me, 81.39. We kind of broke a little bit below that. I did think maybe we may end up moving down into our next level of 80.84, but we'll see. Right now, we are back on top of those 81.39. So if we continue to hold this support, look for the market to try to travel right back up. I'd say into this little bit of a micro peak here, 81.78, and then above that into these 82.03s. Then you can see a main level 82.33. So if you are looking to fade, that is going to be your area of interest for the fade back up. If you want to continue that actual move down, you can continue it from these micro peaks if you want, maybe one right here and then short it, or you can wait till it gets back up to more of a main level and then get an opportunity from there. So that's what we're going to be looking at on crude oil as well. That wraps it up, guys, for the market analysis. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But with that said, let's go ahead and prepare for the open, guys. You guys have a good trading day. Okay, let's see.